Hi, in this video, I will show you how to control Media Player using the Keyboard Extension app on your smartphone. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. When you open Media Player on your Windows PC, the corresponding widget will automatically turn on your smartphone. But you can create your own widget for this or any other app with different functionality. I've included a link to a tutorial on creating your own widgets in the pinned comment. With the Keyboard Extension, you can start and pause playback without using a keyboard or mouse, or quickly switch between files added to the playlist. Skip forward or backward 30 seconds. Speed up playback by 1.5 times or 2 times. Or slow it down by 2 times or 4 times. Using the Media Player widget, you can enable shuffle mode, change repeat modes, enable full screen mode, and pin the window so it always stays on top of all other windows. Open files without leaving the Media Player interface. There are 2 options here. Open a file from your PC or enter its URL. Improve your interaction with Media Player using Keyboard Extension.